Alright guys, so we got another day stuck in the house, and I made a order on Amazon for the things that we are going to be doing today. So right before all of this happened, I had tried a matcha drink for the first time at Starbucks, and it was so good, right? So I went ahead So the recipe I watched while the water was heating up, she did 1 teaspoon of matcha, and I just did a half a teaspoon. So let me go ahead and put another half in, which will make it 1 whole thing of 1 teaspoon. And then she did twice the amount of water. So we'll do 2 things of water. Right? So we got our matcha, we got our water in here, and then you just shake. I feel like this isn't enough water. I feel like hers was more water.
Yeah.
Wanna work out today?
Yeah, when we're hitting these pull-ups.
I'm already dressed. Hey! Alright, and then you put in some almond milk. I'm gonna just drink my matcha out of here. I'm not gonna put it in a cup. Sorry. Maybe I should still put it in a cup. We'll put it in a cup so that it'll look pretty. Go almond milk. I filled it up to about the 8-ounce mark on the cup. Excuse me, ma'am.
I stepped there in the spot like 3 times.
I told you to put shoes on.
That's fine. As long as I don't have any socks, it doesn't annoy me.
And then I'm going to put honey in the matcha to give it a little sweetness. I probably don't need a lot because this is the sweetened almond milk. Right? So we'll say about a teaspoon of honey. Alright. Put it in. Now we shake. And this is my drink. Let's go get big to try some. First taste of matcha ever.
Good.
It gives you natural energy. It's supposed to be like a nice clean energy. It's supposed to be better than coffee.
Tastes like tea version of a frappuccino.
So we're back. So as we know, we're quarantining. And I am
in a house and I'm in a house bored. Bored in a house and I'm in a house bored.
And I ordered this because I basically heard that you can use the same kit to do the brow lamination, little treatment on your eyebrows, and I really liked it, and I wanted to get it done, and I was planning on getting it done before quarantine happened, but you know, quarantine happened. So I did all the research and found all the things that you need. I cleaned my eyelashes earlier, but I used the what is it? The microfiber water, and it has oil in it because it's like the one for stubborn makeup. So I'm actually going to go really quickly cleanse my lashes with number 4. That you want to make sure that you get up in there, especially if you're a false lash wearer, because sometimes glue hides up in those lashes and you do not want to perm that. Okay. And this is what we are looking like before. I'm gonna like switch my angle a little bit because mirror's right here, so you guys, I think you guys get a side view. So I'm thinking that the small one's gonna work best, but I'm going to try them all and see. Put the eyelash glue onto the little thing. This one is the small. I think this is what you're supposed to do, because how else would it stick, right? Put glue onto the silicone behind it. Alright, and then I'm going to take the little brushy thing that you guys saw me using earlier and brush my lashes onto that, and hopefully it sticks the glue. One, which is the perming solution. My cute, oh, duh. Check the little thingy off top, Khrystina. Okay. Put my Q-tip in. Zyra, get out of here! Babe!
Yeah.
Come get Zyra.
Zyra, get out of there!
Cover for 10 to 12 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply my saran wrap onto my eyelid. I thought I cut these smaller. I guess I didn't. And I'm going to set it for 12 minutes. 12 minutes just to be safe. 12 minutes. So my plastic was too big. My plastic was too big to keep over my eyes, so I had to like hold my hands there so that it will stay. The next one I will make smaller. This guy right here, he's blue. I am not having high hopes for my lashes anymore because they don't look good anymore. Ugh. Okay, so now we put number 2 on. Alright, cool. That is on. That one looks much more promising than the first one, although it's still big, but 12 more minutes. Okay, that 12 minutes wasn't as bad as the first 12 minutes. Okay, where are we at now? Use cleanser number 4. Clean all residue with Y brush. What the heck is this Y brush? I didn't get it. My cleanser solution, and I'm going to cleanse my eyelashes. This lash and this lash, I'm not mad at it. Could it be better? Yes. Will I probably do this again? Definitely. I think I like it. Just brush through lashes. So. That looks good. Hello? Hello. Hello. Yes. Oh my god. Why wasn't I already getting this done? I'm glad I never paid anyone. Well, maybe I should have been paying someone to do it. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. So good. Ooh, yes. I'm about to call my mom. It's
Difference of what?
like, what do you think? Can you tell the difference?
Between your eyes?
Yeah.
What am I looking at? Just your eyes.
Yeah.
Your eyelids.
Yeah. My lashes.
Your lashes.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, there's some dog hair right here. Yeah. Or they're supposed to be like, what, perkier?
This one's like, it has like a lift to it. Like if you look in the mirror, you can see how this like eyes.
Wait,
like,
wait, let me look like this.
Oh my god.
Okay, I can tell.
You can tell?
Yeah, I like this. Yeah.
You can't tell from looking straight at me? I can tell like when I look in the mirror.
It's easier. It's easier to tell like when I look from above.
Oh. I'm glad that I did my lashes first because I feel like that took forever. Also because I forgot to set the timer for the second time. So now we can finally do the fun part, the fast part, semi-fast part. It's going to be the brows. So, They said to brush the hairs up. Now I have this big slit in my brow. I'm happy with the way these look. My eyebrows are so sparse and just terrible. It's not that I over tweezed them when I was younger or anything like that. It's just literally how my eyebrow hairs grow. I've never been able to grow hair from like here to here. This right here, I got like a cup thrown at me, had to have stitches. And yeah, this is how my eyebrows grow. Like, this is what they actually look like grown out, untrimmed, untamed, which is what we're gonna do. Okay, perm is officially done. Our brows for 12 minutes. Oh, I think this is going to look good once I like get my brows together. Right. 12 minutes. Yes, my brows look good, sis. Ooh. In 12 minutes, my brows are low-key looking good. I'm definitely doing this again, and I'm not even finished. Focus. Okay, solution 2, rub them on the brows. 12 minutes. Love the way that looks. That looks so good. Oh my god, she looks quite diaper. I feel very sticky, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. This is basically what we're looking like after everything. My brows, I think I need to trim this one just a little bit more, looking at myself straight on. I'm gonna keep working on my brows, but my battery is getting ready to die. But I want you guys to see that this is what we are looking like with my brows and my lashes. My left side is definitely my favorite side with my lashes and my brow. My right side is just a struggle, but we will work on her. And I will see you guys in another clip, maybe? I'm not sure. Quarantine vlog, who knows? This is what they look like when they're all drawn in and filled in. I'm actually really happy. I feel like I did actually achieve the look that I wanted to, although it took me a minute to kind of manipulate it, but I am happy now, actually. I'm super happy now. So I'm super happy that I ended up doing this for my brows, my lashes. I'm still like, the lashes thing was just like kind of just like thrown in there because I could do it, but I'm really happy with my brows. I'm really happy with the brow eliminating fluffy brow thing that I did. I really like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Hope everybody is trying to stay busy in this situation we got going on. But until my next video, which should be on Tuesday, until my next video, which should be on Tuesday. I'll see you guys later. Wait, should I put some mascara on so you guys can see? Let's put some mascara on. Why not? So this is what my eyes are looking like with my mascara on. This is just a few little coats. Yeah, like I said, this side, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side's like super close to my lash line, and I don't know if that's me or what this is supposed to look like. This is the other side. They're not identical at all, but like I said, I more so did this for my brows. I'll probably definitely be doing this on my brows again. My lashes, I'm like, I'm not really sure, but I'm super happy with the way this came out now, which will be on Tuesday. Not Tuesday, maybe Tuesday. Me and my boyfriend have been talking about maybe I should do 3 videos a week, and I'm thinking he might be right. So I'm thinking it might be a Monday, Wednesday, Friday scenario. So maybe I'll see you guys on Monday. Until then, see you guys later. Also, forgot, videos that are coming up are always going to be in description bar below. So if this video was not for you, check the description bar. The content that we have coming is down below. All right, you guys, for real this time.